Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off share ride on Lyft. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft's application and this is how it looks like once you open the app. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find two sections, rides and also trips. So right here, you can either schedule a ride or you can add your calendar using Google Calendar. So we're going to go back to rides, and right here in the top left corner, you're going to find this icon. If you click on it, you're going to find a lot of options right here. You're going to find view profile. If you click on it, from here you can see your profile. You can also view it as a driver. And right here under it, you're going to find your account settings. From here, you can see your infos. You can set up a business profile, family, my riders, and lastly, linked accounts. So if you want to turn off share rides, you need firstly to have a business profile and then go right here to settings. And once you click on settings, from here, you're going to find the share ride option and you can turn it off from this place. As you can see guys, I don't have a driver account. That's why I should firstly click on drive with Lyft and then add my email address and location and then follow the steps until I have a driver account. You can also go to payments and then from here you can set up a business profile. Click right here, add your work email, payment method, receipts forwarding, and then follow the steps until you have a business profile. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.